Good morning, children. How are you? How do you do? Are you safe? Yes. Children, take care of your health and you should use wear the mask and sanitizer. Okay, children. First, we should give our health. Health is wealth. Very nice. Children, today we shall start the lesson, The Gentleman of Rio in Medio. Children, in the previous class, we have discussed about the third unit, Rose, The Gentleman of Rio in Medio. Very good. Children, just I ask some questions about the topic. Say, who was gentleman here? Yes, Don Anselmo was gentleman. So where was he? Live. Where was he lived? He was living Rio in Medio. What is Rio in Medio? It is the village in Mexico, US. What is the abbreviation of US? Yes, United States of America. What is orchard? Yes, many number of mango trees. Children, what was he wear on? How was his physical appearance? Yes, old and faded, colorless coat and torn and gloves. Torn and gloves. And wore the cap on his head. And cloth were faded, and he hold or took up a stick used to walk. Children, we are discussing about the physical appearance of Don Anselmo. But Don Anselmo had some properties. That property came from his ancestors. Okay, children. What is the meaning of the ancestors? Yes, forefather. Forefather. Very nice. And he had some property. How much is property? Yes, 8 acres of land. Did he sell his property? Yes, he sold his property, 8 acres of land. Very nice. To whom did he sell his property? To Americans. How much? $1,200. $1,200 sold his property to Americans. Children, remember in the previous class, Don Anselmo sold his property to Americans, 8 acres of land for $1,200. Is it clear? Could you understand? Yes. Children, that the Americans gave $1,200 for the 8 acres of land. Also, it has the orchard, number of trees. But Americans bought that property. Children, you know that one extract. Remember, we have made extract. Okay, children. Extract. We have made discovery. We have made discovery. Children, remember that statement. Extract. If you write the correct answer, you will get 3 marks in the extract. Okay, children. So, who does we make? Americans and also survey. Then, so what did they survey? 8 acres of land. The 8 acres of land, that property. After this survey, that property was more than 8 acres. But Americans were ready to give double amount to the Don Anselmo. Did he agree? No. Why did not agree to take double amount for more than 8 acres of land? Children, remember, because Don Anselmo was a principle of man. Okay, children. Principle. Okay, children. Say principle. principal. P-R-I-N-C-E, principal, then principal. Okay, children. Homophone. What we call? Homophone. What we call? Homophone. Principal and principal. Children, use this word in your own sentence. Principal and principal. Okay, children. Don Anselmo was a principal of man because he could not receive the double amount by Americans. Already sold his property on certain agreement, 8 acres of land for $1,200. But Americans were ready to give double amount that property. Children, remember and minded this principle. Everyone has principle in his own life. Children, remember that. We should follow like Dan Anselmo's principle. We keep and follow that because honest man and a gentleman, with that gentleman, that respective word, and it is not. Children, so in the previous class, and Buna Janata means good people. Who are good people? Yes, Americans were good people. Children, next paragraph, 7th paragraph, and Don Anselmo sold his property to Americans just in the previous class. Shall we start now? Page number, now word network, 15 pages, paragraph 7. Please, I am reading the paragraph. Okay, children. A month later, my friends had moved into Rio Medio. They have replastered the whole house. The pruned the trees, patched and fence mowed in summer. One day they came back to the office to complain. The children of the village were overrunning their property. They came every day and played under the trees, built a little play fence around them, and took blossoms. When they were spoken to, they only laughed and talked back good naturally in Spanish. Spanish. Month later, my friends had moved into Rio Medio. Who does my refer to? Don Anselmo's friends. And Medio, they replastered an old house. How was this house? Old house. What did they do? Replaster. And the whole house. Pruned means, children, prune means cut off some branches of the trees. Mind it. Then, children, pruned and patched the fence and moved in summer. Fence means around the property because they fenced around his property to protect trees and all the properties. Okay, children. And fence means cement pole or rock pole, and with the wire, the fencing wire, and metal wire binding the pole around the property, because they came back and office complained the children of the village were overrunning. Children, remember the underline that sentence. Don Anselmo sold his property except trees, because the children of Rio and Medio were real owner of the trees, because they were playing every day. So that the children of Rio and Medio were the real owner of the property. Children, mind it. But Don Anselmo sold his property except the trees in the Rio and Medio. Children, okay. Then place the overrunning their property. Property means trees, land. They came every day, played under the trees. Who came play under the trees? Yeah, children of Rio and Medio were played under the trees. Children, remember the parts of speech under. So, which is the part of under? Yes, preposition. Under means under the trees. Okay, children, are you playing? Yes. Children, build a title. Little placed fences around them. Took blossoms. The flower blossoms. When they were spoken. Spoken. Children, remember. Sir, present tense, then past tense, and past participle. Children, it is an activity. Okay. Spoken. Okay, children. So, what is the present and past form of this spoken? Yes, it is an activity. Speak, then spoke. Speak, spoken. Children, remember, spoken. And only laughed and talked. Okay, children, laughed and talked. Underline word. Main word. Laughed. Okay, children. So, laughed. L-E-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed. Then L-E-U-G-H-E-D. Okay, and L-E-U-G-H. Okay, children. Laughed. Okay, children. Laughed. Talked. Okay. What is the past participle and present form? Yes. Talk. Okay, children. Talked. Okay, children. Talk. Children, remember, we should know tense form of the word. If you know the main verb and auxiliary verb, and we have able to meaningful formation of the sentence. You know that sentence, children? Yes. What is sentence? Sentence is group of words which gives full meaning. It's called sentence. Then, paragraph 8, children. I sent a messenger up to the mountains for Don Anselmo. Children, please observe, and already you have looked at the picture in the previous class. Okay, children. Messenger, underline that word, and it took me to arrange another meeting. When he arrived, he repeated is previous and preliminary and performance. Underline that word. PQ. PQ. PQ means one is previous, preliminary and performance. Children, PQ means previous, preliminary and performance. Okay, children. E wore, wear, wore. Underline that word. Wore. Wore means wore. And wore, wear, wore. Wore the same faded cutaway, carried the same stick. Just remember, he hold, he catched, he hold stick used for walking from one place to another place, because the Don Anselmo was old man, aged man, and he was not able to walk, and that stick used from one place to another place. Okay, children, and just remember, stick and accompanied by the boy again. He spoke hands. He shook hands. Okay, children. Shook. Yes. What is the present form of shook? Shake. Shake. Okay. Shake. Then children, and shook hands all around, sat down with the boy behind his chair and talked about the weather. Finally, I broached. Broach means the rise topic. Means they started to discussion about the Sodis property. Subject means then topic. Don Anselmo about the ranch you sold to these people. They are good people. Underline that word. Children, remember, they will ask extract. They are good people. Who does they refer to? American. Who said this? Don Anselmo said this. Good people want to be your good neighbors always. When he sold to them, you signed a document. Deed means agreement. So children, remember that word. Deed means agreement. Children, you know that your father and grandfather and or any other persons in your family, if he purchase any land or property, and first both persons agree and prepare the agreement document, file that property, and seller and buyer. So both of consent and they make agreement. So that is the agreement is document, children. So agreement document both persons consent. Okay, children, agree. And when sold them and you sign document deed, in the deed you agree. Okay, children, agree upon or disagree to several things. One thing was then they were to have complete possession. Possession means to courtesy, have to that property, hold is property, possession to the property. Now, Don Anselmo, it seems that every day that children of village overrun and orchard and spend most of their time. We would like to know if you are the most respected. Respected means honored. Children, respected and spend most of his time there. We would like to know if you have the most respected if you are the most respected of the person. Children, man believed and could not stop them from doing so in order to that these people may mind. Children, note the underline the word, enjoy their new home more in peace. Ninth paragraph, Don Anselmo stood up. Underline, what is the present form of stood up? Yes, stand up, stood up. We have all learned to love these Americans. He said, because they are good people and good neighbors. So, who are good people? Yes, Americans were good people and neighbors. I told them, underline that, children, it is also extract. I sold them my property. Okay, children. So, I sold my property. Children, I sold my property. I sold them. Okay, children. I sold them my property. Okay, children. Underline that sentence. So, who does I refer to? Don Anselmo. Very nice. So, who does them refer to? American. So, what did he sell his property? Yes, he is 8 acres of land with old house except trees. Children, so because I knew, what is the present form of knew? No, knew they were good people. Underline that part. They were good people. But I did not sell them trees in the orchard. Because the real owner of the trees, who are the real owner of the trees? Yes, children of Rio and Medio. Okay, children, some activities are here. So you read and prepare the activities. Wrote deliberately, delayed, old man, so was slow, was not in state. So in the positive, discuss the pattern which of they agree, and children in the activities. You prepare, you read these paragraphs and write down. It is your activity, children, and Don Anselmo. Then write down the home assignment. Children, remember, Don Anselmo repeated the question. Then Don Anselmo says Americans were good people. Does it remark that you just you read, write down the correct answer all these questions. Okay, children, in the 10th paragraph, children. 10th paragraph. This was bad, Don Anselmo. I pleaded when one signed deed and self. Underline that word, children. Deed. Deed means agreement. So they made Don Anselmo and Americans were made the agreement to the property. Sell real property. One sells also everything that grows on the land and those trees. Every one of them are on the land and inside. What is the opposite word inside? Outside. Very nice. Inside, outside. Okay, correct. Inside, outside. Very nice. Inside and boundaries of what you sold. What you sold. So what is the present form of sold? Yes. What is the present form of sold? Children. Yes. Your answer is right. Sold. Okay, children. Sold. Then sell. What is the opposite word? Sell. Buy. Very nice. Sell. Okay, children. Then buy. B-U-Y. Not B-Y. B-Y. Preposition. B-U-Y by word form. What is the part form of word? Yes. Buy. Bought. Bought. B-U-Y by. Then bought. B-U-G-S-T. Bought. Then B-O-U-G-S-T. Bought. Okay, children. Very nice. Buy. Bought. Bought. Sell. Sold. Sold. Very nice. Musical style. Sell. Sold. Sold. Buy. Bought. Bought. Children, just you should learn through our musical sound. If you use the musical sound and if you learn the words, yes, you remember. It's also remembered for a long time in our mind. Children, words are necessary. Wonderful words. Children, remember in the previous class, wonderful words. Words are wonderful. If you know the words, spellings and meaning of the words and pronunciation, and we can learn English easily. Children, just remember. So we have we have more and more words. Children, new words are here. Be care, take care of, and follow. And write down the meaning, glossary, meaning of the words. Okay, children. So, 11th paragraph. Yes, I admit. He said, you know, he had it. I am the oldest man in the village. Who was oldest man in the village? Yes. Don Anselmo was oldest man in the village. Oldest. Old, older, oldest. What are these, children? Yes. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. How many kinds of degrees? Yes. 3 kinds of degrees. So, what are they? Which are? Yes. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Old, older, oldest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Small, smaller, smallest. Children, very nice, very nice. Almost everyone there is my relatives. All the children of Rio and Medio are the sobrinos and nitos. It is a Spanish word, children. The sobrinos and nitos. Sobrinos and nitos means the niece and nephews. And grandchildren, children, grandchildren, mother, grandmother, father, grandfather, children. You know that? Okay, children. See, in Spanish word sobrino and sobrinos and nietos mean the descendants. Children, remember, follow the glossary words. Just so, descendants means a group of people related to family or family members, related to family members that existed long ago. Ancestors, forefathers, fathers, brothers, children, all type of children, the group of related children. Okay, children, descendant. So, Don Anselmo had number of relatives and children in the village of Rio and Medio. Okay, children. And so I took possession of the house from my mother. So he told that I took means he took. Who does I refer to? Don Anselmo. Took. So what is the present form of took? Yes, take took. So in the children, possession of the house from my mother, I have planted a tree for the children. So planted means, children, just remember, in the every year month of June 5th we have celebrated the environmental day. Which day? June 5th. Okay, children. So rainy season start in our country, and we have planted many plants because we should grow. Because we know. So do you know that? Say, trees gives several benefits to us, such as a pure oxygen, fruits, roots, air, and the fuel, children. So that. So I have planted, unlike that extract, they will ask, I have planted a tree for the child. The trees in the orchard are not mine. Say that they belong to the children. Which belong to the children? Trees of Rio Medio. Then the village everyone and Rio and Medio born since, and railroaded came to Santa Fe. Santa Fe owns a tree in the orchard. Okay, children. I did not sell the trees because I could not, they are not mine. Alright? So that he told that he sold his property, but not trees, because trees belong to children of Rio Medio. In the last paragraph, there was nothing we could do legally. We owned the trees, but the old man had been so generous. Underline that word. Generous, popular, and kind-hearted man, and principle of man. Children, just remember all these qualities we should have in our life. Okay, children, generous, and refusing water mounted fortune. Water mounted, then fortune for him. But it took most of the following winter to buy the trees. Underline that word, to buy. To is infinitive. Children, remember, to is infinitive. To buy the trees individually from the descendants of Don Anselmo in the valley of Rio Medio. Children, so it is the paragraph. So the children already just shall we discuss? Just we have shared. Children, some questions and recall that property, and some questions in the textbook. The write down the question answer. Okay, children, and just on the page number 50. So, why do you think Americans wanted to buy Don Anselmo's land? Children, Homer said. Then, Don Anselmo and Americans were generous in their own ways. Comment on this. Children, just what you understand about the qualities and characters Don Anselmo and Americans. So just comment and write down about their qualities, children. And third question is, so at last the problem of ownership was resolved, but it took a long time. What might be reasons? Write paragraph for it, children. Write homework 3 questions in the lesson. Okay, children. Just briefly, we should recap, revision. What do you understand about this paragraph, children? The real, the story, it is not story. We should learn many things, good qualities, good characters, and honest. Okay, children, we should learn so many things, so many good qualities by this lesson or from this lesson, children. Don Anselmo was old and a respected man, and Don means the respective word sir, and he was the old man. You know that the physical appearance and structure of his body, but Don Anselmo was decided to sell his property, but Americans bought that property. Don Anselmo sold his property, 8 acres of land for $1,200. Okay, children, $1,200, and Americans took that property, that amount. Then Americans made a survey of land. After this survey, that property was more than 8 acres of land. Okay, children, 8 acres of land. But Americans were honest people. Already a question has given. Children, just remember listening carefully and write down the answer. How was Don Anselmo? What happened? The good quality. What has good qualities? Then Americans were. What were the Americans? What was Don Anselmo? Just they were, both of them agreed to sell and buy the property. And after the survey, the property was more than 8 acres of land. But Americans were ready to give double amount to Don Anselmo. But Don Anselmo was refused to take that extra amount because he was principal of land. Already sold his property. But one day, American bought that property and enjoyed and possession that property. Possession of the property. But one day, the children of Rio in Medio came nearby the house, and children of Rio in Medio were playing under the trees. But Americans blamed, and Americans were told, but children did not give respect to them. But Americans said to or told to Don Anselmo, but Don Anselmo replied, those trees real owner of the children of Rio Medio, but sold his property except the trees, because those trees belong to children of Rio Medio. Finally, Don Anselmo had a number of relatives, children, and all people, grandchildren in that village. And also he was a respected man. Children, we should have those good qualities and apply our qualities in our life. Okay, children, remember, children, already in 2 part and 2 periods we have completed this lesson. Prose 3, The Gentleman of Rio. Okay, children, read carefully. If you have any doubts on new words to pronunciation, and you will ask next class, please you read correctly and read again and again. Read and write, both activities should do. Okay, children, you should work hard and use the precious time. Okay, children, and take care of your health. Children, don't forget. Do mind it? Do you know? Yes. We should wear the mask and use sanitizer. Take care of it. Okay. Health is wealth. Children. Yes. Thank you so much listening, and we shall discuss both of us, you and us. Okay, children. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you.